Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing and setup video. Today we'll be looking at our two new smart RGB LED lights. So here we've got the 5 meter and the 2 meter range. Okay, so let me just show you what you'll get inside the box with these. For the 5 meter one, you will get an inner carton casing. So let me show you how to connect these up. The process of pairing is similar, but the connection will be a little bit different. Okay, so obviously with this one you just plug it in there. Okay, so you've got this little arrow there on the connector part. You want to line that up with the arrow there. Okay. So just be a little bit careful, the pins can bend when you're connecting it. That's why we give you the couple extra spares. Alright, so if you want to put some tape or something around this just to keep it strong, that's fine. Okay, so the pairing will be the same. You just press and hold this button for about 6 seconds. Now with the 5 meter one, you do have an option to add an extra light, so you can daisy chain up to 2 of them. So because the 5 meter one uses this style of power adapter which puts out a bit more power, that's why you're able to daisy chain them. So you just quite simply connect it up using that same method with the 2 arrows lining up. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so same thing with this one. You want to line up the arrow with the arrow on the other one. Okay, now for this one you've got a USB connector to your power adapter. Now because it is a USB, the power that you're going to get through this is not enough to daisy chain them. Okay, so you can only connect one per power adapter. Okay, now one other thing I'd like to mention is if you are cutting these to a desired length, try and cut them around this part here. Okay, so you can see this line between these copper bits. So it's the same with the 5 meter. I'm going to try and get it on this line, okay, where the copper connectors are. Alright, so that's when you're cutting them to length. To fix these to a desired location, it has got a adhesive strip on the back, so you could just peel that away and stick that. Now when these lights do get a little bit hot, you know, this adhesive strip might give away after a while, so you know, you can use mounting clips or some contact cement, whatever you like, if you want to make it a bit more permanent. Okay, so here we have a standard house socket. Let's just go ahead and plug this in. We recommend just pressing and holding this for about 6 seconds. So as soon as you see that light turn off, it will start flashing. Okay, so that's the fast blinking light that you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and start up our app. Okay, so we just hit the plus icon. We just go to lighting and strip lights Wi-Fi. Okay, just type in your Wi-Fi details. And we just tap this little checkbox here, confirm. Hit next. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so the device has been added, we just hit done. So as you can see, the lights are flashing. That means the device is currently in music mode. So there's a microphone built into this little controller. When I'm talking or when there's any sort of noise, the lights will blink to it. So if you're having a party or something, you can set these up with the controllers closer to the music, and you can get the lights going with the music. All right. So if we change it to read, you'll see that feature has gone away. So let's just go over to our color section. Okay, so as you can see, our little color wheel here. You can change the color of the device. Now, if you want to get the white, you probably just want to turn the saturation down. Okay, so that'll give you your cool white sort of color. Okay, there's just your brightness selector there. Alright, and there's your power on off. Right, and just in the top right is your settings. Okay, so you can go ahead and rename the device over here. You can share the device and a couple other features like removing. Okay, so here we are with the 5-meter strip. Let's just go ahead and connect it up. Okay, so just remember the 2-meter one, the microphone is built into the controller, and for the 5-meter strip light, the microphone will be used from the connected device, so this phone. If I'll just demonstrate, so I'm talking into the phone's microphone right now. As you can see, the lights are changing away. Now let's go ahead and connect up the other light. So as you can see, once these two lights have been connected, they basically start to mimic each other. So there's no need to set up this light in the app if you don't want to. So if you're always going to have them plugged in together, it's fine to just not pair the second light. Okay. So if you see here, everything I do to the first connected light will be replicated on the second light. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the video. Check it out and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.